Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frame for RavenCoin. Now, as always, our key level criteria is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and dive in to the monthly chart. Right off the bat, let's start with our swing highs and color coordinate it so we know which time frame this key level came from. As we can see, a reaction from these wicks, candle closes, and bearish momentum reversing from the key level. Now, as we see it reversing, we notice that it finds an area of support right here. And if we look to the left, we notice that price reacted to the same key level here. So let's draw in a zone. And it'll look something like that. And let's color coordinate it for our monthly zone. And we can see as price came down, we had a shrinking candle with a long wick here, and then this shrinking candle, long wick rejection, inside bar with a long wick sticking out, and we had bullish momentum going after. Now, what we can establish on the monthly over here is an area of support, as this is the swing low and the most recent level of support. So this is what we have on the monthly chart. Now let's hop down to the weekly and see what else we can find. So here on the weekly, what do we see? Well, on the left of my screen, I notice these 2 points of support where price came down and reversed, came down and reversed. So let's plot this level here and match it for our weekly color. And what do we notice? We notice that we've seen a reaction from this level as well, reaction from this level here, and we've seen a reaction from this wick right here. So we can tell that this level was a support here, we had almost a fake out. We could almost put a key level here, as price did break through for a little bit, hold the level. As it broke through and reversed, it actually held the level as support, but initially it broke down. And as it came back up, we seen a reaction and got rejected from the level, making this level of support flip to resistance. So we've seen this level both be support here, 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 and then flipped to resistance here and here. So this is a very key level. Now, as we can see our monthly zone here, we see how prices reacted to it on the weekly chart. See a reaction here, we see a curling bottom here, a long wick just by the key area, and then we also see a reaction here. As prices come down, we notice that price actually reacted to it recently with these long wicks, making this level very key. So as price comes back up, if price comes back up, we will assume a reaction at the same level once again. So what can we see right here? Well, we can tell that right here, price found a level of support. So let's go ahead and plot this as a weekly level, as this was the most recent level of support. And we can also see where volume started picking up off this level, making it an area of demand, and what followed was a momentum bullish candle. So as price starts to fall down, we may expect that price can react at the same level. Now let's zoom out. Now looking at our chart, we have multiple key levels where price reacted. Now, I see one more key level that we missed, and that is right here. So let's actually plot in a zone, and we want to get the candle closes on these zones, as price can react around these levels. But initially, price came down and closed at the bottom of our zone, reversed, came down, and as it pulled back, we've seen a reaction at the same key level as our candle closes at the top of the level. So we can know that this level was once support, turned into resistance, making it very key. So now our chart compared to before, we have a lot more structure, and we can tell where price can react to, as it has reacted in the past at these levels we have plotted today. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Go ahead and plot these levels on your own charts and find the key levels using our key level criteria here. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.